Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound or audio on HP laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, disclaimer, if you can't hear me, okay, please use your phone so you can hear what I say, okay? And once you're on your phone, go ahead and go back to your laptop right here. Now go ahead and click on the audio icon. Now click on this icon right here. Okay, select the sound output. Play around with your outputs right here. Okay, you might have set it up the wrong way. You might have selected headphones instead of speakers. Okay, if you do have a headphone, you can go ahead and check if your headphone works. Well, that means that your system got a problem or the hardware of your laptop or PC itself. Okay, so don't worry, we're going to go through that in this video. Okay, so if this method works for you, well, you're good to go. And if not, well, just go ahead and go to your start menu right here. Right click on it. Click on device manager like so. This window will pop up. Go ahead and find the audio inputs and outputs. Now find the speakers. Right click on it. Click on update driver. Now just click on search automatically for drivers. Okay, once that's done, check if it helps. If that still won't work, right click on it once more. Click on update, browse, let me pick, select from one of these options right here. And once done, just head on next and you should be good to go. Now, if that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down system updates. Okay, click on it. Now make sure that you have updated your system. Okay, just click on check for updates. If there are available updates, install it. And once that's done, don't restart your computer yet. Click on advanced options. And then here, most of the times under optional updates, you'll be able to see audio drivers. Make sure that you install everything right here in this list, okay? Click on download and install. Once that's done, you have to restart your computer. And again, before you play any sound, you can go ahead over to the sound icon. Click on this icon once more. Now you're going to find speakers. Make sure that it is selected. And everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Now, if that still will work, okay, you can go ahead and use your Bluetooth headphones or earphones, however you wanted to call it, okay, or a wired headset, okay, you can go ahead and use that as well. If that works, well, the problem is on your laptop or desktop, okay. It is a hardware issue. You might want to get it checked by a local technician, or you could go ahead and plug in a USB to 3.5 mm jack, okay. Once you bought one, you can just straight up plug it in to your computer. Maybe use your wired headset, or maybe you could just go ahead and buy an external speakers. Okay, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.